Good day everyone, this is Ken Timao and this is the International Code of Signals. Alpha, I have a diver down. Keep well clear at slow speed. Bravo, I am in or discharging or carrying dangerous goods. Charlie, affirmative or yes. Delta, keep clear of me. I am maneuvering with difficulty. E. Echo, I am altering my course to starboard. Foxtrot, I am disabled. Communicate with me. Golf, I require a pilot. H. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. India, I am altering my course to port. Juliet, I am on fire and have dangerous cargo on board. Keep well clear of me. Kilo, I wish to communicate with you. Lima, you should stop your vessel instantly. Mike, my vessel is stopped and making no way through. N. November, negative or no. Oscar, man overboard. Papa, in harbor, all persons should report on board as the vessel in all persons should report on board as the vessel is about to proceed to sea. At sea, my nets have some fast upon on obstructions. Quebec, my vessel is healthy and I request pre-fatigue. Romeo, the way is of my ships. You may feel your way past me. Shera, I am operating astern propulsion. Tango, keep clear of me. Fishing boats, keep clear of me. I am engaged in fair trolling. Uniform, you are running into dangerous. Victor, I require assistance. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray, stop carrying out your intentions and wait for my signals. Yankee, I am dragging my anchor. Zulu, I require a tug or when made by fishing vessels operating in close proximity on the fishing grounds. I am shooting nets. Thank you.